So, the organizations now in 2024 and as we move to 2025 has been going through drastic changes. Disruption is the name of the game. Given that we need to foster the collaboration between the clinical and the commercial teams, which is very, very important. To do that, it is important to have a very clear mindset between commercial and the clinical teams and to understand that why it is important, how it is going to get benefited to all, not just a particular team, and to have a cross-functional, clear training program which helps employees to have job rotation, leverage on the digital tools, create different mind space ideas, also align with the hybrid roles, and that will help overall strategic goals of the organization, and that can lead to the business growth. Digitization and digital mindset are now core to the entire development and I would say core mainstream focus area for any organization, given that AI gives the personalized learning pathways, gets an individual to know what are the areas in which an individual has to focus on to develop the skill set and competence to climb up the ladder. AI offers the immersive solutions, which is on hands-on experience, and combination of AI and AR can really give you the experiential learning platform that can help an individual to carve out a different career path, which was never possible earlier. Also, with the help of machine learning, it is possible to have different historic data, also the trends of the future, and that can really predict the base level data, which will help an overall learning tool, whether it is clinical or commercial. Both of them get huge benefit out of this kind of digitized and techno-based platform for the learning and evolution overall for the individuals. Any development which is new, any change for that matter, which is new, is never easy. It brings a lot of difficulties within the teams, within the leaders, within the co-workers. So just like any other change, even hybrid roles and the learning environment brings the challenge in between the different functions, alignment issues, coordinating issues. Also, it brings in silos, people start working in different mindset. For example, the clinical will work only with the clinical part, commercials will work with their own teams, and they will not interact freely unless and until there is a proper framework and the structure given to them. Also, the external environment throws very, very big challenges navigating through these challenging environment and ensuring that business goals are met, especially in terms of the hybrid role development is done, is a real challenge. Um, in particular, when you have these enhancement programs, it helps leaders to have a balanced perspective, understand a different set of thoughts, be diverse yet inclusive, be well informed in terms of decision making, because data and analytics gives us a deeper understanding and clarity in terms of what needs to be done. It also enhances leaders' ability to anticipate what might happen if certain steps are taken, certain situations are prompted, given for the future reference. So it helps greatly in terms of understanding, optimizing the resources, and putting it to the fullest use. Hybrid role ensures the adaptability of the global disruption and the market changes, because as I said that the external work environment brings the VUCA world, or the Barney as we speak, brings in so many changes, and the frontline employees and the employees who are facing this day in day out need to be on a real time basis updated and trained. So employees with the cross functional expertise, they bring in better change management, they bring in better business, service customers in a different manner, and strengthens the continuity of the operations during the turbulence time, and the crisis management is done very swiftly. It also enhances the organizational resilience and overall decision making power. Uh, well, this is my favorite part, because culture is something that I really like to work on, and pharmaceutical industry has its own inbuilt world in itself. And given that, to promote the culture of continuous learning, adapting to the newer situation, and development is the core to the entire culture shift, which is extremely important. Pharmaceutical as a industry has been into research, into developing medicines for the humankind, and making sure that society at large gets benefit. At the same time, the culture within the organizations are also very, very vital. And so it's important for each and every leader to ensure that there are constant breaking of silos between the clinical and the commercial teams and the departments, yet working very smoothly, encouraging open communication. Having said that, we need to also have a right structure in and hierarchy, accountability and responsibility, and building the overall culture as a strength, which helps the organizations to perform better, having the reward and recognition program, flexibility, leadership at large should be top down, and which can help to foster the best culture within the organization. Uh, as I said that the HR has been the torchbearer and the culture promoting agent in any organization. It is imperative for us as the HR leaders to make sure that we come up with the right set of program, which is inclusive of mentorship, developmental, right coaching, intervention based learning, experiential learning, partner with the greater academic courses and the institution, which can help people to understand, develop, and grow in the structured manner, and also foster the culture of respect and result, which can help every individual to have that desire to learn more and grow better. I believe as we move into the new year 2025, it is important for each and everyone to look out for such a hybrid role between the clinical and the commercial functions and the departments, because gone are those days where we used to work in the single stream and have growth. Now we are talking about evolving and exponential growth. This can only happen if we have internal clarity, alignment, and resilience within the organization, and none other than the HR fraternity is really working hard and should be focusing on such a crucial area of development.